2 hours later.
Hi guys, we're walking to Princess Island Park, close to downtown because of the nice weather. Oops, bicycle lang. Here, kasama ko si husband. There. Punta kami sa downtown, yung park na.
He's driving instructor now.
No, and I will show you the bridge. They said this Peace Bridge is one of the expensive bridge that they built here in Canada. So we'll go there with my driver. Ganito kaganda yung weather namin today. Bye-bye snow and hello summer. Yeah, very quiet main street now. Very good weather. Oh my god, I hope every day like this. There's no more snow coming now. No more. Yay! Finally summer. Oh, there's one space. We're here guys at
That's not big enough.
try there or maybe we'll go forward. At ano, saan na nga ba ako? Yan yung sinasabi ko na Peace Bridge. Yan yung expensive bridge na itinayo nila. Million daw ang halaga. $1 million. So yeah, dyan tayo maglalakad mamaya and we'll bring you there guys. Dadalhin ko kayo dyan. Okay? Hanap lang kaming parking. Naglalakad na kami. Maraming tao. Walang quarantine. Oh, that was nice.
You know what's nice?
Which one?
I'll throw you in the water.
No, it's very cold. It's very cold. Just say hi. We're walking, guys. Very nice. Walang tao sa likod.
Is that real wood?
Yeah. It is. Yeah. It's real wood, honey. If you're tired, you can sit there and relax. Nice. Too bad we don't have a stampede this year.
Yeah. It's good.
It's good. You don't like a stampede?
No.
Fine. It's windy. Okay, we'll go check there. If they open, we'll see. Guys, meron kasing mall malapit dito. Gusto niya daw i-check kung open. But I don't think so. It's open, honey. This is downtown already. Walang tao. You wanna bet? He won. He won. It's open. We'll check inside what is in there. Karamihan kasi sarado na po lahat. Bibihira lang yung mga may open.
I see that nice.
Which
nice
one?
SUV. Toyota RAV4.
This one? Oh, it's open. But everything is closed. See, no food court.
It's open.
Bukas siya, guys, kaso sarado. Tinanggal nila yung mga upuan and lamesa. Sarado rin yung mga stalls. Yan, so yung mall lang ang bukas. Maliit lang to, guys, na mall, ha. Yan. Walang tao. Quiet. Ewan ko ba ba't gusto niyong pumasok? Wala lang. Oh, this one is open. It's probably just closed now. Yan, guys, walang tao. Check daw namin sa taas.
No theaters open.
No theaters also?
No.
Of course. Wala ring sinihan, guys. So wala talaga kaming libangan dito. Maglakad lang. Maglakad lang dito. Paikot-ikot lang. Ay, see? Walang cheddar. Okay. Balik lakad, guys. Walang tao. Habang naglalakad tayo, papakita ko pala sa inyo yung nails ko. Yeah. I've done my nails 2 days ago. Saradong mga nails pa, pero sa bahay pinuntahan ko yung nagpabook ako ng appointment sa house, and it's cheaper actually. It's a gel polish. Yeah, nice. Which one, honey?
Oh, it's so slow.
Well, it's time for you to use the new phone. Ayan, so my hotel dito guys, Sheraton. Ayan, kasi part na siya ng downtown. Itong park na to. It's so quiet. Ayan. Waterfalls? Where? Oh, nice! Hang on. I'll take video. Don't touch. Yeah, I didn't touch. I just want to take video. Napagalitan pa tayo guys. Don't touch daw. Nice. Kita niyo yan?
Almost every day. Not right now.
Ayun yung Peace Bridge guys. Yun. Doon kami nag-umpisa. Pumasok kami doon. Yun. And then, umikot kami hanggang dito. Okay. And now, we're back to the car. Here. Okay. Gantay na si Pogi. We're home guys. We've done walking. Tapos na kaming naglakad-lakad. And bago kami umalis, nagluluto ako kanina ng nilaga. And it's done already. Ayun. And then, magluluto naman tayo ng, papakita ko sa inyo. Naman tayo ng maruyang saging. So, meron ako ditong 6 pieces na saba. Bale, pinakuluan ko na siya. And then may sugar tayo, baking powder, flour, at saka fresh milk. So, imimix-mix lang natin siya. Imamash ko muna yung saging and then pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag ready na siyang iprito. Okay? Ito na yung maruya. Dinagdagan na natin ng saging. And then we're gonna add more banana. And then i-proportion lang natin siya guys. And mix lang ng mix. Yan. Mix lang natin siya. And then nilagyan natin siya ng vanilla and milk. And then na, pwede na natin siyang iprito.
Maybe, can you call
Yes, Dad.
maybe Mom?
Yeah?
Call her. I have to run home.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna tell that.
She
Okay.
knows probably, huh?
Yeah, we mentioned. Okay, so ito na guys. Ito na natin siya ha. So, vegetable oil lang yung ginamit natin. So, yan. I'm not sure kung paano siya prituhin. Pero, ganun lang. Prito-prito lang. So, ayan. Hanggang sa naging proportion siya. And now, gagamitan ko siya ng ano kayang spoon ang gagamitin natin dyan. Yeah, so, ayan. Ipiprito na natin. And update ko kayo mamaya kapag kung anong itsura niya, kung anong kinalabasan niya. Okay? Okay, guys. So, prito na natin siya. So, ganyan lang. Hindi ko siya kinakapalan kasi para malutong maigi yung nasa loob. Then, nag-craving talaga ako nito. Ilang araw na, kaya sabi ko makapagluto nga. Ayan. So, nasa mahinang apoy lang siya, guys. Ganyan lang siya. Tapos, babantayan talaga natin siya. So, ito yung una kong niluto. Ayan. So, yan. Ang sarap niya. Kapag nakikita nyo nang medyo nagpa-brown, masisilip nyo siya. I-flip nyo siya agad kasi para lang siyang pancake. Ayan. I-flip natin siya agad. Tapos, yan, ano ba tawag dito? Itulak, ganyan, diinan nyo lang siya para maluto. Tapos, ang sign, pag malapit na siyang maluto, or pag luto na siya, di ba, bubutasan nyo yan, yung gitna. Kapag wala na siyang lalabas na parang yung ganyan, yung kagaya niyan, hindi pa luto yung loob niya, di ba? Itong isa wala na. So, ibig sabihin, luto na yung loob niyan. Ito, pag may lumabas pang ganyan, so, ipiflip mo ulit siya. Yan, try mo yung kabila, tusukin mo ulit siya, then tulak ulit. Pag wala na siyang lumabas, so, ibig sabihin, luto na siya. So, ito, kagaya niyan, may lumabas pa. So, baliktarin ulit natin, tusukin natin yung kabila. Tapos, ayan, may lumabas konti. Ayan. Nagigets nyo? Yan. Okay. Guys, ito na yung update sa ating Maruya. So, kung makikita nyo siya, malaki yung pagkakagawa ko. Pero okay na din yan at hindi siya sunog. Meron lang dito konting medyo brownish siya. Pero ganun naman talaga dapat. So, ayan. Ito yung nagawa ko ngayon. Maruyang saging at ang aming dinner is nilagang baboy na mas maraming gulay. So yan. So, yun na yung ating supper. Ito, tsaka magra-rice na lang yung mag-ama or siguro hindi na lang siguro kasi hindi naman sila mahilig kumain ng rice. So, yan guys. Thank you. Thank you for staying with me today. Stay safe everyone. Bye!